Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Today is an unboxing and I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. You can tell I'm all festive. I have my red sweater on. I have Christmas earrings. Super cute. I am really excited for this. So I know I told everybody no more handbags. Like I was not going to buy any more handbags. But I saw this and let's just say I just had to have it. So this bag that I bought retails for $148, but Dooney and Bourke had a sale and they marked it down for $60. And then I had additional points and coupons and other fun stuff like that, and I got it for $50. Now I feel like that's a good price point, going from $148 to $60 to $50. That's a really good deal, right? And this bag is more of a Christmas themed. And as you know, I've always wanted a Disney bag, and I wanted the Disney holiday bags that came out this year. They had a Mickey and Minnie one with Chip and Dale skiing down the slopes. And they also had a Christmas Disney dogs bag. But with those bags, they were over $200. I couldn't justify paying a bag for that much money and only using it 2 months out of the year. So that's why I ended up going with just a plain Jane Dooney and Bourke bag. And plus, as you know, I have a couple of Dooney and Bourkes. Dooney and Bourke was my first designer handbag. I recently bought the Hobo bag, and I bought a vintage Dooney bag, and I will link those in the cards as well so you can see those videos. But let's go ahead and do an unboxing. So, oh no, I am horrible at unboxing these things, but I am very excited to be doing this with you guys. Okay. Perfect. All right. So, in the box, I just have my receipt. Okay. So, this is the crossbody pochette in the tartan red print. And I absolutely love it. I was kind of worried about getting this print because I've only had Dooney leather bags. I've never had a bag that wasn't leather by them. But it does have leather straps, so that is one thing I'm excited about. Let me show you this up front. Look at the detailing. I love the red. So what really sold me on this was I was on YouTube and I saw a couple of shopping channels that previously advertised this. So I just kind of watched their videos. But I love how you got the red and the yellow and the black and the green. I love it. All right, so let's cut into this so I can see the straps. I'm 4'10", so hopefully this will fit me well. So I'm taking this off. Classic Dooney. You got the braided zipper pull. Love that. And then the straps here. Now I will do mod shots. That way you guys can see what it's like on. And I was iffy on this crossbody because it looked kind of small, like I couldn't really fit very much into it. But actually, really looking at it, I think I can fit quite a bit into it. And so you got the gold zipper, and then you got the treated leather, which is fantastic. I like how they do treated leather because I don't have to spray it with Apple Guard every single time. This is already treated, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, so here's the bag. And you got that beautiful Dooney logo, like you can see on the back. Gorgeous. Now, if you want to spray this, you can get some fabric sprayer. If you go to Lowe's or something, you can grab some of that, and that can also help from any stains or any damaging on it. Alright, so let's open the bag. So you got all your stuffing. Like all of you know, I like to keep my stuffing, especially if I don't use the bag, I'll stuff it, just so it keeps its body and it keeps its shape. They put a lot of stuffing in here. Like a lot. Now, because this is not leather, I do not get what's it called? A dust bag. You can buy them on Dooney.com for like $7. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet, but I might end up doing that. But here's the inside. Oh, let me do it this way. All right. So you got a pretty nice red bottom. You have your clasp for your keys, and I like how this is a coated metal. That way, if it scratches or something happens, you won't notice it as much. You have a pocket, a slip pocket right here. And I love how Dooney adds slip pockets. I have my Dooney registration that I will do online. And then here I have the registration, and then I have that zip pocket. This is really nice. I like how sturdy it is. I thought it would be rather flimsy. Kind of like how the nylon bags are sometimes. I kind of thought this wouldn't be as structured as it is, but I'm actually very happy with the way that it turned out. And it matches. So I went to my husband's Christmas party this year, and I was kind of upset that I didn't have a Christmas bag. I wouldn't be able to have anything to wear to the Christmas party. So I pulled out my Low & Sons wristlet bag that's in a navy color, and I just wore that. But I would have enjoyed having something like this to kind of match with the theme. Alright, so let me go ahead. I'm going to stand up for you, and I'm going to do some mod shots on this so then you guys can see what this looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks. I did adjust it because it was too long for me, but this is what it looks like. In reference, I am 4'10". Ignore my sweatpants. But this is what it looks like. Let me show you on this side. It's not bad. It's a little bit longer than what I would prefer. If I really wanted to, I could have my husband add another notch into my bag. So with this bag, other than having the strap be a little bit too long for me, I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I could have my husband add in an extra notch if he wanted to, or if I wanted to. But other than that, I really like it. I love the color. I think the color is gorgeous. I like how big it is compared to what I thought it would be, compared to the pictures and like what I saw on the TV channels. But overall, I really like it. I like how it's structured. I feel like this is a bag that can last a very long time. I think what I will do is order a dust bag because I don't want this flattening out. Even though I plan on keeping the packing paper in here, I just don't want anything to happen to it. So I am very excited. I feel like for $60 for a Christmas bag, I feel like I did really well. I am super excited about my purchase. I do plan on using this for Christmas parties and even for the 2 months of Christmas, November and December. You know, I plan on rocking it, you know, and I feel like that's the perfect time because if I go to a holiday bazaar, if I do Christmas shopping, I can have my hands free. I don't need my big tote bag. I can just carry this with a small wallet, and I can bring my reusable tote bag that I bring with me everywhere, and my tote bag can be for my shopping. This bag can just be one crossbody, and I don't even have to worry about it. And I love it because it's deep enough to fit my phone. I have the Z Fold 3, and recently I've been struggling to find a bag to fit my phone, but this one works perfectly. I am a little upset I still didn't get the Christmas holiday Dooney bags from Disney, but I think overall This is something a lot more practical, and this is something that I can always wear, and it will never go out of style, and I can wear it with any outfit that I feel like. And it's perfect for Christmas, and it's perfect for fall. And I am super excited about this purchase. I don't know. I can't stop looking at it. I think it's gorgeous. And I like the yellow detailing. At first I didn't think I would like that, but I think it really makes the bag. Absolutely stunning. Alright, everyone, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Spend time with your families today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.